Hey guys, welcome back to Gotti's Garage, the greatest fucking channel on YouTube. We just hit 500 subscribers, so that is a great milestone for me. So let's hit another 500, make it to that 1,000, and yeah, I'll be happy. So today I was just out here working on the Honda a little bit. I didn't do anything on camera because I was just trying to get everything done. I did not buy anything for the Honda this week. I'm just showing you things that I did that were like free that had to be done because we actually just got a new house and we were moving next week. And yeah, it has a 30 by 40 shop, so we'll be able to do work indoors, get a lot more stuff done. And the only downfall that it is dirt ground, so we're going to have to figure something out about that, but that shouldn't be an issue. Today's video, you can tell I already got the bumper on. Intercooler pipe is unhooked because I sealed it off. I got to cut this thing off, but I sealed it off, and without that wastegate hitting, it didn't stop it from going over 10 or whatever, and it just blew the this thing, like it's like plastic. It blew a hole right through it, so it was making a lot of boost. But so the intercooler pipe is off. I shaped up the hood exit a little bit, and we cut a square in the hood. Now, it looks ugly as fuck, but we're gonna get some aluminum sheet, make like a teardrop design kind of thing, and make it look all nice and stuff. We're also gonna be painting that hood once we get it back to the new shop. But so yeah. A couple other things that we're gonna have to adjust soon is the ride height is a little different. I can get barely my hand out over on that side, but I can on that side. So that is what we got now. Now I'm gonna hook up. I got my the suction cup and everything. We're gonna hook it up, and I'm gonna show you what it's like with the hood dump. It is very loud, and this car isn't legal, so we're not going too far. But just so you can hear everything that's going on, I'll get out of car and in car. I'll shut that sunroof and the windows and stuff like that so you guys can hear it. But yeah, that's just gonna be pretty much the video this week. But bumper looks good. It is creased, and it definitely is not you know, straight. It's gonna hit like a really big raccoon last year right on this side, and it messed the whole bumper up, you can tell. But that's alright, because eventually maybe we can get another bumper or something. I don't really know. I don't want to put too much money into this body because I don't like the rust back there. So I might be looking for a rust-free shell, and we can swap all this over. Who knows? And then don't mind, like I said, the square that's cut in. That is only temporary. We're going to be covering that up so it looks good. I just had to make it drivable so I could drive it about an hour to our new house. So the hood closes pretty good. As you can tell, I angled it, and you see a little bit of the heat wrap that is sticking out, but that doesn't bother me at all. But we will be getting, like I said, a teardrop. We'll get a hole cutter or a hole saw, and this is 2.5 inch pipe, so we'll probably do like a 3 inch. That way it's like perfectly good, and it'll just be a big, if I put my finger on camera, it'll be a big like teardrop, and it'll look really good. This little spray paint will also be covered up. I just did that so it will not rust. And we're gonna need a new grill, but those are really cheap on eBay. Pretty much, we had to get a couple couplers. Like I said last time, I already said that in the last video, but I still have to do that. So let's start the car up, and I'll show you what it sounds like. Let's get all this stuff off. The battery's not dead. Also, I hooked up the headlights too, so those are working. You can see it's pretty loud, but you can hear the turbo and stuff like that. Let me shut this sunroof. And then, I don't know if you can see that Ford right there. I got the new windshield. Looks pretty sick on this windshield. Alright, so I'm going to pull this car ahead. I'm going to move some tools out of the driveway. We're going to do a windshield mount first on the outside of the car, so it will probably be pretty windy. But then we're going to do an inside mount as well, so you guys can hear the inside effects of a hood dump exit exhaust. So keep watching. I start, right now is a great time to hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and hit that like button, give this video a thumbs up so it gets out there more and helps me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I'll try to do a burnout real quick since it's dark. I know the camera quality is really shitty, but alright guys, well in that end cap video, hopefully you could hear a lot of it, but for some reason it was sputtering really bad. I think, I haven't checked out yet, but I know I need new wires because the ends were kind of like loose on it, so that's going to be just added to a list of things we're going to need. But I got the soup can over the exhaust, and the car is all put together and ready to be driven to the new shop next week. I'll make a video on that too, so you guys have a great day. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and you guys have a great day.